Alright guys, I've got this Samsung tablet. It doesn't charge and it doesn't come on any longer. So I'm not really sure whether it's the charging port or it's the battery. So what I decided to do, I'm not really well experienced on how to check the charging port. So I thought let me just try with getting a new battery. So that's what I did. I received this today. I suspect that this will be the battery. See what I've got inside. There you go. Yeah, I think it's the battery. I hope I've ordered the right one. And this, I'm not sure if it is long enough, but we'll find out. Need some tools to get this open. Just need to stick it on the side. Got it open. Yeah, I think it is spot on. Just the way it should be. Okay, I think I should put this one first. I want to take this back out. Okay, I think now everything is back. Before I put the screw back, if I put the screws back, I would like to test it to see if it's gonna come on. Okay, so I've got some power to come. There we are. After so many years, it's never worked. I just felt before I chuck it in the bin, I should try to do something about it. And here we are. But the most important part of it is the charging. I want to see if it's gonna charge. If it charges, that means that it's just a battery that is gone, and I've been able to resolve it. Now, I'm not an expert at doing this stuff. I just learned from other people who are very good at doing this type of stuff on YouTube, and just like as you are watching me right now, and as you can see, I was not really doing it professionally, but I managed to get this back up and running. The most important thing that I want to test before I couple everything back is to test the charging port. The battery is at 68%, and we're gonna put this one right in here. Okay, thinking that this charging port may be dodgy, but not 100% sure. Turn this around, and then we'll turn it on. Let's see what we got. It's not charging, I guess. No, it's not charging. So there's a problem with the charging port, not the battery. It's not charging. So basically, it is the charging port that is dodgy. Okay. So the charging port is gone. I will need to take that out. Take this out. And get it replaced.